Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can make a dotted line in AutoCAD. So let's just create a new line first over here in a fresh side. So let's say I have this line over here, this is a random line and this is also a random line. So I want to make this line a dotted line and keep this line as it is. So I will first select this line, and you can tell that by showing that it is highlighted now, and then go to properties section over here from where we change the color, and go to the last bilayer option which is over here, and this will actually change the format of the line. So just click on this bilayer option, and you can see that there are different options for it, but not a single one for dotted line. So what you have to do is click on others, and this will open up this window, and you have to actually load it, the dashed line you have to load it from the library. So just click on load option over here, and this will open another window, and as you can see that this have a lot of lines you can choose from. So the dotted line is, or the dashed line is the first one. So you just click on this first one, the ISO 02W100. So this is the line that we want. Click on OK, and as you can see now it has added in our appearances or the line types, and then you can just click on OK, and now it has added to our main properties section over here. So let's just select our line once again, go to bilayer, and then just select our line, dashed line. So as you can see now our line has become dashed and it's looking pretty amazing now, and then you can do all sorts of stuff with it if you want to. So that's about it for making a dashed line, and you can also make some other lines by choosing from these different lines over here. So let's say if I want let's say dot line, so I will click on dot and click on OK, and then again click on OK, and let's say if I want to make this line dotted, so I will go here and select the dot option, and as you can see now the line has become dotted, and I don't like it very much, but whatever. So you can create different lines with it as well.